Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Today's product is absolutely perfect for your garden. It's gonna make weeding a lot more comfortable, and that is because it is a seat or kneeler. It's a 2-in-1 device. This was sent over by a company called Saker. It actually comes with a little user manual. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now you're gonna get this nice little gardening bag here. It's got spaces for like shovels and kind of little picks and all that kind of stuff. Nice little bag inside here to fill up with any weeds or anything like that. And also they do include a nice little pair of gloves that have the little water resistant coating on them. But the main thing here is the stool itself. So I absolutely love this. So first off, as you can see, it's not very big, so it's very easy to carry around your yard. To give you an idea of the size, it's about 21 inches wide. It's about 11 and a half inches kind of in depth, if you will. And then it's about 17 and a half inches in height. Now you do have this nice, super soft cushion here for sitting on. It is removable, so it just attaches via Velcro, so it's very easy to take off. It also has these little non-slip bumps on the back. And then you're gonna notice it has this nice, thick pad as well. So very, very comfortable when utilizing. Now, when you got your pad on here, this is in seated mode, for example. But however, if you want to flip it and put it in the kneeling mode, just simply flip it over. And now you're gonna have a slightly thinner kneeling pad that's a little bit tougher, but you can also put back on your Velcro thing, and it makes it super, super comfortable. Put your knees on. And then they even have these little handles here to help push you up, which is a nice aspect. Now, when you are also weeding, this is a nice little removable bag. Once again, it has multiple slots for tools, and it can just slide over the arm sides here. So whatever your configuration, it's gonna be able to get in position. Now, another great safety aspect of this is when you are sitting down, this has the ability to basically have an extra little kick support, so that way it doesn't tip on you. You'll notice these little silver buttons here. If you press them on the side, it will slide out, and now you have a little bit more stabilization when you are sitting on the ground. So it's gonna make it a lot easier when you push up and get up, and you don't have to worry about, oh, this tipping while you are bending over. So it's another nice little safety aspect. Now, if you can technically stand on this as well. So if you need to get something higher, I'd suggest removing the cushion, but it does support up to 500 pounds in weight. So this whole frame is all made out of a nice strong metal, and it makes it nice and secure when utilizing it. Now, when you are not needing to utilize this thing and it's ready to put in storage, that's another aspect I love about this, is because it folds down nice and flat for storage, so that way you can put it away and it doesn't take up a lot of room when utilizing it. So as you can see, bam, it's all nice and compact, so you can easily tuck it away on the shelf. You don't have to leave it in your seat position, which is a great aspect of it. But overall, like I said, if you're looking for an absolutely great seat or little kneeler to do chores around your backyard, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do tip to respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.